Hi, I'm Hector Perez, a senior solutions architect at JourneyTEAM, and I'm going to teach you about one of the pillars of zero trust architecture, which is applications. To learn about the other 5 pillars, check out our other videos. So, applications and APIs are more or less the way that we provide an interface to the data that we consume. So that could be email and that could be files and content. Within Microsoft 365, those applications can be things like Teams and Outlook. And so ensuring that we control the way that and secure those applications in a way that allow users to interface with that data is essential and important. So we have services within Microsoft 365, such as Exchange, that we can configure to ensure that as data flows down to those applications, there's nothing potentially malicious or hazardous for end users to be able to get into some trouble. So things like anti-phishing, anti-spam, anti-malware, those are some of those core backend services and filters that can be leveraged to ensure that end users are consuming data that is safe. And as you start to use more and more of Microsoft 365 services, obviously that becomes more of an important part of the way that you administer and the way you configure all those different services across the board. Ensuring also that you have control and visibility into what other services your organization may be using is important. And there are tools to be able to allow you to monitor applications that are being used across your organization outside of Microsoft 365 is important as well. So you can cut down on shadow IT. And so being able to identify those can also be part of your zero trust implementation by using Microsoft technology that's available within the stack. If you'd like to learn more about securing your applications that you have in your environment, please reach out to us at JourneyTEAM.